official color of the year is... Alit na yung damit ko. Naghanap pa ako ng gold eh. I wear gold tonight because it says that it brings wealth and success and evokes feeling of prosperity and boosting professional development and financial health. So gold is one of my lucky colors. There's also red and blue. Yun ang lucky colors ng red. So this morning we will talk about the lucky colors based on your zodiac sign and based on your what year you were born. Like me, I was born on the year of the rat. So, pero ang ating official color is Mocha Mousse Pantone 17-1230. Mocha Mousse is a combination of chocolate and coffee. Pasensya na, nabubulol ako kasi super excited ako eh. So, those born under the year of the rat, hindi ko na sinignify yung kanilang years that they were born. Sa year of the rat, ang inyong lucky colors ay, like me, I'm born on the year of the rat, blue, red, and gold. So if it's blue, it means tranquility and wisdom. Gold evokes feeling of prosperity and success, boosting professional development and financial health. So kaya ako nag-wear ng gold, kahit maliit na sa akin. Green symbolizes growth and harmony, balance in interpersonal relationship. Yan ang mga lucky colors ng those born under the year of the rat. If you are born under the year of the ox, what's your lucky color? It's white, yellow, and silver. So if you will wear white, it will bring brightness. Yellow will bring abundance and optimism, and silver creates power and solidify